Welcome to the Art of Basil. I am Basil, of course, and today I'm going to change it up a little. As a creator who's always working on film and video projects, it has been a little challenging to do both YouTube and my 9-to-5, which is what I do in film. I usually make YouTube content when I'm faced with a problem and I'm not able to find the answer online. So whenever I find a solution to the problem, I feel compelled to share it with others. Thus, a video. But that's gonna change. I will still be making content video or reviews on products that I use, but I thought as I'm traveling these past several years, especially 2020, I've met so many interesting people, and I wish I could share those moments in talking with them. So I decided, why not? When I meet somebody, why not interview them via virtually, or if I have the opportunity to see them in person, on location, and just spend a little time with them and bring those moments to you guys. So this channel will still have reviews and products, but right now, at least once a month, I'm gonna have what I call ordinary people. Ordinary people that work regular jobs to do extraordinary things. And that's what you're gonna see, and hopefully you're gonna like it and enjoy it. Like, subscribe, bell for notification. All right? I think I should have called this channel The Art of People. What do you think? The Art of People, since I'm interviewing people, right? Maybe not. All right. See ya!